guys. Thought I'd try something a little bit different. I know I haven't put a video up on this page in a while. All I do is the edits for all the teams and the companies and everything at these races. But I thought I'd do something a little bit different and put together a vlog for you guys of what it's like a day in the life for me at these races. I was gonna do it earlier this year when we went to Ironman back in the spring for the Hoosier, and I wasn't able to do it the way I wanted it to, so I just kind of scrapped it. But yeah, so I'm heading to Sunday Creek Raceway for the Burr GNCC, and it's the same location as the John Penn GNCC where we were earlier this year. I love coming to this one because it's only 20 minutes from my house. Right before I started recording this, I literally pulled out of my driveway. So that's awesome for the fact that I get to sleep in my own bed. I'm not having to get a hotel. I'm not having to worry about any of that stuff. So yeah, you guys are going to see a lot of POV, behind the scenes footage. Might sprinkle in some of the race footage so you can kind of get a little bit better view of what I do and how everything goes in one of these races. But yeah, should be a fun day. I'm working with the usual suspects. I've got the Trail Jester KTM guys, Phoenix Honda boys, everybody over at the Babbitt's Kawasaki team, and then of course some of my guys with FXR Racing and Flow Vision. So just gonna be shooting pretty much everything today. The kids race starts here in about 40 minutes at 8 o'clock, and I've got one of my Babbitt's riders in that one, Thor Powell, and he's been a top 3 kid all year long, and he raced the Reddis this year. Had some bike issues over there, but kid's quick, and I think he's more than likely he'll be going to a big bike next year. But yeah, so I have him first, and then I have all the WXC riders at the 10 o'clock race, all the women riders. That's been a good one to watch this year. The points race is really tight between Rachel Archer and Becca Sheets, and so that ought to be a good race. And then we've got the pros in the afternoon with all the big boys. So yeah, come along for the ride, and you'll see what a day in the life of this video guy is like, and what me and some of the other guys like Mason and Shan and Ken all have to do in a race weekend. So stick around, guys. Thanks for watching. Gotta get the McDonald's. Part of any race weekend breakfast. Morning, Keith.
To operate your machine in a safe manner, maintaining control at all times. Extreme caution is required when approaching areas with high concentrations of fans. Do not take unnecessary risks that endanger the safety of fans. You will be penalized for reckless racing.
Go out there and have a good time together. But once again, continue to watch over our military men and women and our leaders each and every day.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you would, please stand at attention, remove those caps and cross those hearts as we honor the greatest nation in the world with the playing of our national anthem.
And bright stars through the perilous.
Senior here at the Burr GNCC. Phillips, a great jump off the line. The number 6 is going to take it to the first turn.
Number 277 from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, the very RetiCAM,
Where's your little instant 360 camera?
Right there.
Is it recording?
Yep. Vlog life, buddy.
Oh, you vlogging now?
Yeah.
All right.
I gotta get on that Jesse Ansley level.
I know, everyone wants to see it.
I'm gonna be nice this round.
I didn't have service to see where you were.
I didn't get here till late last night.
Extra guys, go forward, please.
I was like,
What, inside?
Yeah.
Hey. We already talked about this in one of the races earlier. We just need to harness that inner 250A starting ability.
Hey, I just got a whole shot at the J-Day.
Isn't that live engine start though?
No.
Oh.
That engine.
Against 2 strokes.
Yeah.
Attaboy.
It was a good one. It was so sketchy, but
Right.
hell yeah, hopefully get another
We gotta
one.
just do it here.
Hell yeah.
Simple. Hey, why were you and the guys being such wusses yesterday in that pen section with the bicycles?
I wrote it down. The rest of the boys, they crashed out.
What's up, Corey?
Ohio one last time for the Ohio native. Give it up for your WXC winner on the #1 Yamaha, Becca Sheets.
Perfect, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, why don't we just get up the hills?
Yep.
Simon.
That was slick on Ben's part.